Hi, thanks for joining us for this Clackamas County Emergency Operations Center update for the week of November 23rd, 2020. I'm Kimberly Dinwiddie, the county's Public Information Officer. Today I'm speaking with our Public Health Director, Philip Mason Joyner, to give us some tips on how to stay safe during this Thanksgiving holiday. And we're also speaking with the county's Crisis Program Supervisor, Dr. Jeffrey Anderson, who will give us some creative ideas on how to stay balanced during these difficult times. Welcome.
Hi, Kimberly.
Hi, Kimberly.
Let me start with you, Philip. We're in the middle of a freeze, and here comes a major holiday when we traditionally get together with our extended families. How can we stay safe this year?
We understand that 2020 has been a really challenging year. People are fatigued with the COVID-19 pandemic, but right now we're in a really troubling situation with cases here locally in Clackamas County tripling in the past few weeks. Our local hospital staffing and capacity is being really stretched right now, and there are significant delays in access to testing and results coming back to folks. We need the community's help. With the holidays approaching, with the weather changed, folks gathering more indoors, that's really driving the spread of the virus. In our public health guidance, we're recommending that, for the holidays coming up, please try to keep your celebrations small, set your plans early, and adjust them if you need to. For example, if you're planning to see your elderly grandparents or other people in your life who might be at higher risk from severe illness from COVID-19, please limit going places and interacting with others for 2 weeks so that you can do that safely. And if anyone does become ill, even with mild symptoms, you may need to adjust your plans. This year, it's been all about flexibility, and this is really important now more than ever.
And we're still in the flu season.
Absolutely, we are. So if you haven't gotten your flu shot yet, don't wait and do it now. It's something that you can do to help reduce strain on our local hospital systems and to help protect others.
Thanks, Philip. Dr. Anderson, Thanksgiving is also a time when some people feel isolated or alone. And this year, the COVID-19 pandemic, we're all feeling isolated. What can we do to protect our mental health?
First off, I say reach out. If you feel lonely or isolated, connect with loved ones virtually or in a physically distanced way. Bundle up and meet outside, maybe go for a walk or have a chat on the patio. Just do this as safely as you can. Also, acknowledge those feelings. Don't try to force happiness just because it's the holiday season. If you can't be with loved ones because of COVID-19, realize that it's normal to feel sadness and grief. And if you can express these feelings to a trusted loved one, all the better. Also, learn your holiday triggers. Find out what provokes holiday stress for you. Try to avoid those types of experiences during the holidays, and you may prevent some stress. And if you can't avoid those, at least you'll be aware of what's bringing you down. Lastly, for parents with kids at home, set expectations. Let kids know what they can and can't expect this year. Setting expectations is just an important way to help kids regulate their emotions and behaviors.
There's a lot going on, and sometimes people just feel hopeless, especially with all the recent changes and restrictions. So where can people turn for help?
Yeah, seek additional support. Like you said, despite your best efforts, people may find themselves feeling persistently sad or anxious, overwhelmed by physical complaints, unable to sleep. Reach out to Clackamas County Crisis and Support Line. Our staff can listen and help you decide next steps that are right for you. We can be reached at 503-655-8585. You're not alone. We're here for you.
Good advice. Thanks, Doctor. And thank you for joining us, and happy Thanksgiving. Please stay safe, and we will see you next week.